Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. From today's video, we are going to start a new series that is solving a scenario both in Tableau and Power BI parallelly so that we all can learn and understand how the difference is between these two tools. Okay, because these are the most powerful tools that are being used in the market right now, and there are a lot of opportunities on these two. So in today's video, we are going to solve a very important interview scenario that is, being asked multiple times in multiple companies, that is solving current year and previous year sales in Tableau and also in Power BI. So let us get started without wasting much time. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to mention your comment. How do you feel about this challenge? Because I want to create more scenarios on these two tools. So first, I've connected to Tableau, the latest version, and the latest data set. So if you need this data set, do let me know, or else I'll try to put the uh, link of this data set in the description box. You can try and you can start doing it parallelly. So first thing is same thing I've connected in Power BI as well here. So if you go here, I've connected to the same data set. Okay. Now to get current year sales in Tableau, I'm just writing CY sales, and I'm writing a simple calculation. If my year of, I need a base date, right? So base date I can use today as my base date, because from today I'll get today's date. So using today's date, I can get year part, month part, week part, day part, whatever we want, we can get it, right? So I'm using today to get my year. So year means current year is equal to year of order date. Now, if this is matching, okay, when year of today, that is 2025, is equal to 25 in year of order date. Year of order date is what? My business date or the date in my data set. When these two are matching, then give me sales. Simple calculation and end it. Okay, so click on apply and okay. Now, when I bring this into my view, I'll get 745, 568. This is my current year calculation in Tableau. Same calculation we'll try to leverage. So what did we use here? We have used an if statement, right? We have used an if statement, and we have used today as one function. So these two things we have used. And this is the concept. Same concept I'm trying to leverage in Power BI as well. How can we write here? Okay. So now simple calculation. Okay. So here, if you see here, I'm just writing this as my current year sales. How did we write? We are using a calculate as one function that is available. And in this, I'm bringing my measure called as sum of sales. So here it is little different, like how we get in Tableau, we directly get sales. But here it specifies a table name or dot field name. Okay, so you need to understand how the naming convention is there. So for that, we are doing sum here. But here, when we bring this particular measure, it is becoming aggregate. But here we are already doing sum. Then what? Comma followed by year of order date is equal to year of today. Same calculation that we have written here, we are using here also. Okay, you can write like here, year of today you want to put it first. That also you can do, or you can put it like this also. Whatever you find, feel comfortable, that you can do. But if you observe the calculation, it is very much similar here. Now you might gain some confidence. Okay, we can leverage and we can learn on the go. That's why it is very important that at least one tool we are very confident, so that second tool we can use from existing tool and try to leverage and learn from that. Okay, so when this is run, it will give us current year calculation. Now when I bring this into my view, it should give me current year sales. See, 745, 567. Maybe it is rounding off here, and here it is giving us in decimals. Okay, that is current year. Same likewise, if at all we want to solve previous year sales, how will we do here? In Tableau, if we go, same thing, I'll try to just duplicate this. Okay, and I'll just try to edit this. And instead of CY, I'll just write PY or PY. And then what? We are trying to leverage the existing calculation, right? Year of today we wrote. So what is the year we will get here? pause the video and do comment it. 25 we will get, right? 25 minus 1, I'm doing simple. So what will happen? 24 it will come, right? So 24 is equal to this. And click on apply. Okay. Now when I drag and drop it onto my label, it will give me 613,934. That is how we will get, previous year sales. Same likewise, if at all we want to do it in no Tableau, sorry, in Power BI, how can we do? Let us just try to leverage the concept here. I'm just copying this. Okay. And maybe I'll just create a new measure. Okay. And I'll just write it as PY sales. Okay. Is equal to same. Like now, calculate function we are using, sales measure we are using. Here, year of today. So till here, no difference. Same, right? So year of today, where is this bracket closing here? This is closing here, right? So today there is one bracket already, two brackets here, opening and closing, and this bracket is closing here. So right next to that, I'm just writing -1, which means whatever the year we are getting from this today function, I'm subtracting 1 year to that 24. Same, we are trying to replicate whatever we have done in Tableau. Now once that is done, that is your previous year sales. Okay. Now when I go to this calculation, okay, I'll just bring in this previous year sales and maybe write it here. And I will also add order date. So you'll get, let us take only the date part that we need. So your previous year sales is 613,933. Same thing we got almost. It just rounded up the decimal places. So that is how you can solve, your current year and previous year calculations. Now same if we need year over year growth, how will we do current year minus previous year by previous year into 100? Same calculation. You can create a new calculation and you can write it. So that's how you can solve current year and previous year in Tableau and Power BI. I hope you have learned something new. If it does, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to give your valuable feedback for my next video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and have a good day.